Hey up folks, Bradford Magnet Man here. It's a bit windy today. Got the GoPro sock on, so hopefully you can't hear it too much. We're down at Leeds, Liverpool Canal again. 217 Rodley where I was over there. I didn't get to finish off here, so a massive piece of plastic over there. I'm going to whip that out and wang it in bin quick. So, see you soon folks. Wow guys, Bradford Magnet Man, that's it again, bang bang. First shotgun cartridge ever, unused. That's going on the shelf. Beautiful find, I don't know if you can see it guys, with sunshine. I'll turn right round, you got a good shot of that. Wow, naughty naughty. See you soon folks. I've just pulled that out guys. I'm just going to nip to the other side of that bridge, see what else we can find. Might be useful at home that. Number 2 folks. Sterling Game Fibre shotgun shell. You want that Mr. Policeman? Policeman over at the road. You can't have that, that's mine. Keep my mucky mitts off. Nice little bit of clicking here folks. Not right much about, but you know, let's get going here. Love it. Just got something down here folks. I feel it, I don't know what it is. I hope it's not that bloody chain again. I'm just going to change on that grapple, see what we pick. See some bubbles down there. Let's hope we get a bit of a treat folks. Could do with a big one. 2 shotgun shells and a grate. It's not right good pickings. I want more babies. Got something. Feel something coming up. There we go. It's the fucking chain again. Oh, and an old pipe. Wow. Pottery pipe right on the end of me hook. I'm just going to pull this chain out of the way so I can get in down there. That was a nice little find on the end of there, wasn't it? Right, let's pull that out of the way. And one. There we go. Nice little click that. Don't believe I pulled a nice little bit up. Bit of pottery. There you go guys, 3-legged grotty fishing chair. Get a washer before it goes in Bert. Get a bit of the scrot off it. There we go, lovely and clean bit of kit. Have a rest on that later. Cool. Let it dry out a bit. Seek for one, sir. Don't mind if I do, Vicar. Nice little penknife there, guys, and what looks like a really old golf club. Look at that, baby. I'll have them cleaned up, I think. There's a few more bits down here. Anyone care for a schmock? Nice battery out of a smoking device. Cool. Nice big fat scrap plate. 200 kilo, no problem boys. Let's get it in bin. Oh, nearly garrotted me 10. Look at that. Hey folks. All on me lonesome. Umps for 300 yards. The fucking hell. That's huge folks. Check it, that's from around here somewhere. See you soon. Now then folks, I've moved on a bit. Last bridge that way. Let me have a look what bridge number we're at. Hello, Mr. Coot, where are you hiding? Oh, you're over there. 216A, folks. Nice main road here. Walkway down side of it. Let's get clicking and find some treats, eh? Just found that, chaps. Land Rover. It's only got one bit in it. See what it is. It's some kind of clamp, plate, wheel, whatnot. I don't know, it shows a wheel on it and there's a crayfish. See ya. Happy clicking, folks. Oh look, found an E. Found an E, guys. Hey, lovely find. My lovely letter E. Can we see it in the light? There we go, chaps. E. See you soon. Right, guys, I moved a bit further upstream. I'm just at Carley Bridge Canal sidewalk. Lovely little place. Right, guys, this is how we do it. Sorry for the wind. I'm back on my phone. Battery went dead on GoPro. Look, the sign's in the car. Should be safe to drive home. Money right corner. But everything else is in as well, folks, including 2 shotgun cartridges and my chopper bike handlebars. Win-win. Catch you soon, folks. Share, subscribe, get clicking. Morning, folks. Quick look at what we found yesterday. Quite a few bits, a few big bits as well. Pulled that out, dirty monkey thing. But guess what? It'll be okay for me electrolysis box, will that? Because that's steel wire. So I'm keeping that. A few more bits of scrap. Fishing net. These 2 bits come out of that bag. And they look like spacers to put round your spare tyre. Another bit of scrap. Plate. Now, talking to a bloke from Rodley Boat Centre, he says that's a part of an old wooden barge, that, so I'm going to get that a bit of a clean. This here is a bank plate, quite heavy, used to support the bank to stop it caving in. Then as we move across, we have a lovely seat. I'm keeping that. I'm going to clean it. It's in good condition. It's only just gone in. A few pieces of scrap down here and an old D-lock. A few more bits of scrap. And oh, plastic bag. What plastic bag? I didn't get a plastic bag, did I, guys? No, I didn't get a plastic bag. I got an 8-foot humps for 300 yards sign. Some more scrap down here, folks. A couple of bars. Tin. And we've got everything outside today, chaps, so I don't need to be inside. So let's run through these quick then. Right, that is a tobacco lag or faller bar. I used to make them, so I know what it is. A few rings, a few plates, shorty cartridges. They're beauties. Then somebody dropped the smoke machine in. Anyone ID this, guys? It's like a... see if I can get a good view of it. Some kind of bolt with some kind of lid on it. Don't know. This one as well, another strange one. Hole at bottom. Screw thread. It's almost square at top. You see that? It's probably some kind of hinge. That is a diamond tipped cutting tool from engineering. I used to work with them as well. A couple of lows are pulled out. Some kind of jackhammer bit. Don't know what that is either, guys. Anyone give me an heads up on what that is? I ain't got a foggiest. Couple of batteries, couple of chav cans, and then we have that. And then look at that, £10 reward. I bet they don't give me a reward because there's no keys attached to it. We have a spoon, Bayek. Rod rest. A few bits of scrap here, folks, not worth looking at really, but I bring all mine home, every little bit. It's not hard. A few pennies, a couple of nuts, and guess what, folks? Spring's finally here. Get clicking, get liking his videos, share them, buy us a coffee, folks. See you soon. Almost forgot, folks, look at these babies I pulled out. Raleigh chopper forks. Win-win. Keep clicking, like, share, subscribe.